So we have a 2014 Toyota Corolla, and we're replacing the motor on the windshield washer squirter. And so basically you have to get the wheel lining off. Here we are on the passenger side, and then the motor is right in here. To disconnect the connector, you just push down on this button and like this. You just push hard on this and lift it off, and then we're going to just try to wiggle the motor right out of the bottle. I don't think any special tabs hold it in place, so we're going to give that a try. And this is what the new motor looks like. We got this at Advanced Auto for, I think it was $27.99 plus tax.
Less than $30 with the tax.
If you try at AutoZone, they'll tell you that they don't have availability of this part yet. So that's that. The part that we're replacing, the original Toyota number, I think I've got it recorded right there so you can see that. You can also see that that obviously I've removed the squirter line, which is why it's draining out of the bottle right now. So I just removed the squirter line and sort of put it up out of the way. So, Will, I don't know if you can film that from where you are or whatever. I'm just going to try to wiggle that out. So we're going to attempt to just pull the motor right out of the bottle, because I think that's the way you do it. Oh, there it goes. It's a gusher. And that's the way you do it. You just pull it right out.
Awesome.
Now the way we knew that the motor was bad and not a fuse or anything, or the switch inside the car, is that one person, we just put a voltmeter on there, had a person actuate the squirter, and we could see 12 volts down here, so we know that the motor was getting power. So anyway, so that's it. And now I'm guessing to put this in, we need to put the gasket in first, because it's got that lip. So I'm gonna take the gasket off of this. You like that? You like that idea, Will?
I like that idea.
You like it.
Yes.
So we're just gonna put the gasket in like this, and then we're gonna try to force this thing in, and there it is.
Wow.
How awesome was that?
That's great.
Now I'm going to spray a little ether into the, because there's a little bit of liquid that spilled on the terminal, so I'm going to dry that off. Then we'll connect it together, put the wheel liner back on, and your job is done. So happy windshield squirting.
And thank you, Alan.